Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, we are going to show you how to make a logo using Canva Mobile App. Canva Mobile App is really easy to understand and you can download the Canva app from the Play Store. I've already downloaded it in my phone, so yeah, let's get started. When you open a Canva app, you see there are so many templates already available like posters, phone wallpapers, Facebook post covers, resumes, whatever you want to make. You can select the built-in template or you can make your own. Here I'm going to make a logo, so I will select the logo option here and it will automatically make the canvas size according to the logo. Now I'm going to add some elements in my blank template. In the element section, I will search for the circle. So here is the options for circle. Okay, I will select the first one so I can change its color later on. Okay. You can always resize your elements according to your needs, according to your requirements. Now I am going to add some text here, and I've added a simple heading. I will change the font style later on. Here I'm going to write the name of the logo, and here I'm going to write Sarah. Okay, let's change the font style of Sarah. In the bottom you can see the font option, and here you can see so many font styles are available. You can select your desired one according to your requirements. Okay, this looks fine. Yes, now I'm going to adjust it in the middle of our canvas. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to add another text. Yes, I've selected a heading and I'm going to write the initial of Sarah, that is S, in the middle of the circle. Don't worry, I know it doesn't look good as, so I'm going to change the font styles. I will select something different here. Okay, let's see what options we have available. Okay, yes, this looks fine. Now I'm going to add color. I've changed the color of S from black to white. Canva is really easy to use. You see, where if you have opened it first time, you can also use it. It's really user friendly. Now I am going to change the color of the circle. Yes, blue looks fine here, and I'm going to change the color of my text from black to gray shade. Yes, okay, now it looks fine. And yes, our logo is ready, and you see it's quite easy. I've made a simple logo here. You can make the changes or you can add a image also, if you like, according to your requirements, according to your needs. And you see the button here, it's a download button, so when we press on it, it will download our picture in the PNG format or in the JPEG, whatever you like. So you see our picture is saved to our gallery. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.